Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you're well. Finally today I'm back with a new video and I'm going to show you a couple of tips on how to complete your account settings on Pinterest. And of course, following the latest updates. So we log into our profile and we go by settings here. And we started by public profile. As you can see here, you have your photo. I mean, this is my photo. Then you have the business name, and then you have about your business, your brand, whatever you do. And then you have a couple of pronouns, the websites, usernames, and addresses. I don't actually put the address here. This is extra bits and pieces. I mean, you can do it, but I don't waste time doing that. Then we have personal information, account management. We're not going to look at that because they're all personal details. It's not really something that you need to know. Home feed, we don't need that at present. And we go claim accounts. Here you have the accounts, the website that I have claimed and what pins are created. It's simple as that. And this is, something that you need to know if you have claimed your website correctly. Then you have create pins in bulk. I'll be honest with you, I don't actually recommend that because I heard it harms your impressions and creating other problems when you pin and with your website. So it's better if you really do it manually and don't use any automatic service. I will not recommend doing that because as far as I'm concerned, I know a couple of clients of mine that they use my Pinterest management services. They have problems, so we have to, do everything from the beginning because your account might get suspended as well. So you might have other problems. So you don't really have to use this sort of auto-publish connected with RSS feed. So I don't really recommend it. If you want to do it, you can go ahead and do it. I mean, it's up to you. I do everything manually, so I enjoy it. That's why I like Pinterest. So social permissions. Here we have like who is following you. For example, anyone on Pinterest, mentions and messengers. Turn on direct messages for your business, of course. Here, hide comments from pins that created. No, we want the comments to be on because this is the key when we create campaigns. So here is the auto play videos. I have it on. So, I mean, it's, as you can see, it's on. So it's simple as that. This is for the videos. You want those on, so you don't want to hide anything. So those are the keys that you need to know. Also, don't turn off people who mention you. You need to, connect to anyone on Pinterest. Then we'll go notification. Here, you have notification by email. Also, the notifications we get here. You can have a phone, for example, or text. I don't do that. I have by email. And then here you can check or turn off. As you can see, Pinterest is explained to you that group words, emails you have turned off. So you can just tick a couple of those and then save, for example, and then it's giving you the control over, what email notification you should get. So you shouldn't be getting too many emails, or you get too many emails, so you get a few. So it's giving you the opportunity to control everything here, which is very good. Then you have pin you publish, of course, followers, and also from Pinterest business here, you can tick out campaigns, active campaigns, advertiser, performance metrics, news. All of those things I have obviously ticked because I'm interested in those. And the second part I'm going to look at is by push notification. Just press edit. I'm not going to change anything because that's the way I like it. I'm just trying to help you. Then you have comments, photos, views and impressions, reactions, saves, follows again, news ideas. Always you need to tick those. Group boards, updates, invitation, messages, and everything else. And then you save and reset if you want to. So it's simple as that. I love this part because it's giving me the opportunity, you know, to take control of what I want to see and what I want to do. Then you have some private data here, like cookies, accounts. You can tick those. So sites and visitors, accommodation, as you see from Pinterest. Of course, we want your profile to be on Google search, and security and logins. So it's simple as that. It's really some details that is going to help you grow your account, because you can see like the notifications, where you get more saves, repins, pins by email. You get everything, so you should pay attention here to the updates. It's very important. For example, 84 people save the pin of yours here, so you can check what pins have been saved, who is following you, and it's simple details that, you know, it matters to grow your account on Pinterest, because completing your account correctly and all the settings to be complete the way it should be done, you know, is making a difference on your profile, because every details, it matters. So you shouldn't be ignoring, you know, the fact that Pinterest is about research, you know, find the right keywords and get inspiration, but you also need to pay attention to what is giving you. If there is some data that Pinterest is asking you to give, you need to give the data. So simple as that. So that's it for me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave your comments below, and have a lovely day.